Hey everybody, Dirk here, and welcome once again to the Dungeon Laboratory. I want to do a little repair video here. It'll probably be a two-parter because I got to kind of get this apart here. It's a solar light. These are pretty popular these days. I think they're pretty interesting. I got a couple more down here I need to fix at some point, and probably one that's not fixable because the decorative ornament that was on there is completely broken, so I might just steal the components off there and maybe have a play with one of these solar panels, because that's one thing I never really did, was kind of mess around with these solar panels. It'd be kind of cool just to have one down here in the shop, so I mean, I have to put my shop light on all the time, so maybe I can do something with that. Anyway, so we got this from Solenova. I think that's how you say it. It's Lenovo. It's from QVC. It's a little cheap thing. I'm pretty sure this is from China. Interesting thing about QVC, because my mom's been ordering this. My mom ordered this for their caravan, their camper that they have when they go on trips. And QVC has been around for quite a while. I remember my mom ordering quite a few things from QVC, and I'm pretty sure I'm not alone in that department with having things from QVC. It's been around since 1986, apparently. So that does make sense. She's been ordering things from that company for a long time, and now that they have looks like, I guess, channels. I guess they have other outlets, and one of them being in Germany. Let's see here: UK, Germany, Japan, Italy, and also in China. I'm on the Wikipedia right now. It's kind of interesting to see that they're still going strong since 1986. Not bad. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a shot. It's pretty easy fix. Basically, what happened was we have a little puppy dog, and you know how puppies are. They like to chew on things, so he had to go at the cable here. So I'm basically just gonna have to shorten this a little bit here and put this inside the unit. The only thing I really hate is hot glue. And I know I use hot glue on projects. I try not to use it too much these days, hot glue, unless I'm going to make like a semi-permanent housing or whatnot, and I'm satisfied that the circuit is going to work as intended. Then yeah, I'll use a little bit of hot glue here and there, and fit the things down as need be. But because they put this in here more to kind of hold it in place, and it's a strain relief, but they could easily have done that probably with a zip tie or other means. Like I said, it's a cheap little thing here from China. Nothing much. What we got in here? So you got the solar panel, you get your battery on-off switch, and I'm going to assume this is some type of charging circuit. To keep this battery here. There's a little 3.2 cell to keep it from getting overloaded, I would assume. Yeah, I don't know too much about charging circuits. Doesn't look like there's very much on there. Some surface mount stuff. Just a bunch of that. It's pretty cool. It's not very bright, but it's a decorative thing. So let's see if I can go ahead and get this put together, and we'll test it out. It works right now. It's perfectly fine. I don't know if I can switch this on right now. I might be able to. Is it going to turn on? Yeah, see? There you go. Not very bright, but it does the job. Anyway, let's see if I can get this fixed up, and I'll just tack on a short little video into the end of this, and we'll get that going. Nice easy repair. Alright, I'm back at it. So it's all done. I know you can't see that very well on the camera, but this basically was these two wires here leading out. And they were really they were so close to having all the wires here actually onto the PCB here. Basically, these two wires that lead out to the LEDs, they were kind of just laid on the backside here, kind of just all willy-nilly. If it wasn't for that huge blob of solder there as a strain relief, if you were to tug on this, even the slightest bit, you would have ripped those wires right out. Terrible. Because they had everything else soldered on here quite nicely. I did touch up this right here too because it was almost like a cold solder joint. It was kind of just sitting on there, so went ahead and touched that up. I bent that terminal in a little bit because it was laying way too far out, and I went ahead and just put a little zip tie in there instead. There's still enough hot snot in there to where it's semi snug still, so you know, I mean, it has a little bit of give, so you can't push the wire back in. You know, just left a little in there, zip tie, soldered it on correctly. Everything else is working as it should. There's the lights, they're lighting up right now. Yeah, all in all, it's pretty much done deal. Go ahead and slap this back together, and hopefully the parents won't leave this unattended to where the puppy will have his way with it. You know, because I kept a bit of the wire that was still good, and then there's this mess here. I don't know what this is. I think this is like liquid tape or something. It's really weird. It's still somewhat I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask my stepdad what that is. That's nasty. Ew. That's on my fingers now. Yeah, there we go. Nice easy repair, all done. So, yeah, we'll catch you guys later. Cheers.